Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to write a description about yourself on the Quora application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. And after that you should tap on this profile icon at the top of the screen next to the try Quora button. Then you should tap on your name, and after that you should click on this write a description about yourself button, and here you can find this blank white page or this white box to which you should type in your description about yourself. When you are done, you should tap on the update button down below in order to save your description that will appear at this profile section in the left side of the screen. If you want to edit, just tap on the edit button, delete it and type in a new description. As you can see, you can make it bold, italicize it, you can add bullet points, you can insert link, add username, you can also insert pictures if you want to. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.